Red-Lash demo. In this video, we will show you the correct way on how to use our unique container lashing system in just a few simple steps. Attach hooks into the lashing points. The horizontal straps can be adjusted to suit your product height. Using the magnets, position the horizontal straps to the container walls. This allows you to freely load your cargo with no interference from the lashing. Repeat this process on the opposite wall. Load your product into the container, making sure the vertical lashing belt is positioned behind the front of your products. This is important to provide sufficient restraining force on your products and prevent them from moving towards the doors. After product is loaded, join the horizontal belts using ladder buckles as shown. You can use either a manual or battery-operated tensioner to tension the straps.